Hello all, this is just a very quick video to remind you about grade syncing between Canvas and Focus. I want to thank Ben Jameson for letting me use his class. So I'm here in my class, I'm going to go to assignments. The very first thing that I need to do is I need to make sure that instead of assignments, I have two additional groups. I need to add a formative group and a summative group. So I'm going to click on this plus group sign. So again, I'm in assignments, then I'm going to hit plus group, and I'm going to call it formative, save. Then I'm going to repeat these steps, plus group. I'm going to call this one summative, hit save. The reason for this is these are the two categories that you have in Focus. So you either have formative grades or summative grades. Canvas defaults all assignments to assignments, or if you copied a course to imported assignments. You must manually change those courses, those assignments, over to be formative or summative, or they will not sync between your Canvas and Focus. So now I'm going to go ahead and build an assignment and make sure I follow all the steps. So hit plus assignment. I'm going to give this a name. I have a assignment here, and I'm going to put in my instructions. I need to make sure it's worth a certain amount of points. Now, right here, you see where it says assignment group? The default is assignments. I need to change that to be formative or summative, depending on where I want it to go in my Focus gradebook. So in this case, this is going to be a formative or daily grade. So I need to change that assignment group. I'm fine with points, but you can also do percentage, letter grade, but I'm going to leave it at points. I need to select my submission type. In this case, they are going to be doing a text entry. How many attempts do I want? I need to make sure that I have this box on Sync to Focus checked. And then I need to make sure that I assign it and that I put a due date in. If I do not follow all of these steps, it will not sync between Canvas and Focus. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And now when I have assignments in, this one will be ready to go over to Focus. So if we come back over to assignments, you'll see now that it's got a little green circle. That means that sync is enabled. And again, you'll notice that instead of being under assignments, it's under formative. The other thing that I've seen is people didn't change due dates from courses they copied. So remember, if you did not change the due dates when you copied content in, they're still going to have last year's due dates. So if you're getting an error message saying that it couldn't import for some reason, one, check your grade sync and find out what that error is. And then two, make sure that it's either the assignment group is set correctly or that the due date is within the 23-24 school year. If you have any questions about Grade Passback, please reach out to me, mjoaquin@leisd.ws.